Welcome to Theia's MCR IQ video series. In this video, I will show you how to access the setup guide and install the MCR IQ control software. Purchase of the MCR IQ motor control board comes with a royalty-free license to the software application and user interface. The package label for the controller board has a QR code where you can download the link to the setup guide. Open up the MCR IQ setup guide, and the first link in the guide will take you to the location where you can download the control software. From the Dropbox location, you can download and install the MCR IQ software. Be sure to unzip it and save it in a place where you can find it later, and add a desktop shortcut so that you can quickly access the control program. For more information and technical support, contact TheiaTechnologies at TheiaTech.com/contact or email us at info@TheiaTech.com. For MCR IQ motor control board specifications and CAD drawings, visit TheiaTech.com/MCR IQ.